Omushomo ogu abakozi bahabwire kwebembeza okukuma amagara gaabo ngu ahabw'okuba nigakira emirimo.
Ekihango munonga itwe nka site ekitwehanangiriza abakukora omu sectors ezo n'okureeba ngu abantu abakozi abakukora omu bintu ebyo baba biine ebyokwerinda kugira ngu tibyabaasa kushisha amagara gaabo. Ahabw'okuba abantu abo nibabaasa kukora gye baba biine amagara marungi.
The major purpose is we want to create awareness so that when they are handling these chemicals, they should be aware that they can easily bring also negative impacts. The presentations or what we are taking them through involves how do we manage chemicals in a workplace, and also how do we dispose them in case of where they have expired.
Dr. Innocent Achaye okuruga mu kitongole ekirikureebera eby'obuhangwa bw'ensi ekya National Environmental Management Authority ahabwire abaine ebitongole ebirikwakira kasasiro okutunga za license batakatangire kukora omurimo ogu.
We usually require the developer to apply to NEMA for a license to manage waste. And the licenses are in 3 categories: licenses for transportation of waste of different categories, license for storage, license to dispose, but also to treat and dispose.
Omuringo gw'okukyendeeza okujanjaraza kasasiro, Dr. Achaye ashobore ku gavumenti eriyo neetaho omwanya ogw'okwegezamu kasasiro erikuruga omu marwariro gyete incinerator omu byanga bitari bimwe na bimwe.
Ombekirewo incinerator mpango beginning next financial year twaza kutawo arrangement tulebeke ntutwena amarwariro gona na pharmacies zone ezikuba zine emibazi esisikire tutewe entebeekanisa kurebeka nti tutewe entebeekanisa abantu aba service provider egumene yakira kasasiro ekuruga omu marwariro tugitwale omwanyo gwikire ninkashi incinerator esheme kuba nekola disposal and treatment of that medical waste.
Management in government health care facilities is still a bit of a challenge. The medical sector tried to take care of the problem, but unfortunately, the standards are not what is expected. So you have these small incinerators that have been built in the health centers 2s and 3s.
Abahangu omu by'amagara ababi bari omu mushomo ogu hoona bahabwire abarikushaka kasasiro omu maizi okurekeraho omuzogo.
Small scale industries, premises and factories that are discharging wastewater in undesignated areas, we are sounding a warning. Please stop.
Always we encourage members of the public, if they identify such incidences, that is the reason why we have the regional offices. You're supposed to go to the regional offices and report such cases. Then NEMA will take up the appropriate actions.
Aho nharugirireho okuraburana n'abakama b'amashomero na za hoteli abarikuta emibazi na parafini omu byokurya nk'omuringo gw'okubirinda ngu bitafa ngu n'ekyakabi aha magara g'abantu.
Twandu tubiika ebihimba tusangire nti omu mashomero na n'omu maka gitu nututeekamu emibazi y'embeba tukwenda nti ebihimba bikole ki bituulewo munonga egwo n'omuze gumwe mubi abantu gwe bakukira kukora. Omuzo gwa kabiri kugira nti noyenda okolesa amakara make ninkashi okolese energy enche oteeka panado omu bihimba abakukikola kigwire kandi kigwerire kimwe.
Omushomo ogu nigwijaho omu bwire bw'abahangu barikwongyera kurabira aha kabi k'okunagira eryo kasasiro hamwe n'emibazi eki barikugira ngu n'ekyakabi kahango aha buhangwa bw'ensi, amaizi hamwe n'amagara g'abantu. Kuraga gasha kwa Betty Nayebare aha bwa Tayari West.